Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide the people you follow on LinkedIn. So just go for your LinkedIn account and go to your profile icon over here and go for settings and privacy. So when you are in this page, you have to go for data privacy. Oh no, just go for visibility and go for who can see members you follow. Then you can see this is public now. Anyone on LinkedIn, so just to turn it on, only visible to me. Okay, just go back. So it's, you can see, only visible to me. So this is how you can hide the people you follow on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.